Here at the center of the Archaeological History Hall, you can see a display of traditional Korean roof tiles known as Wadang. What is Wadang? Wadang is a type of roof tile used at the ends of the eaves in traditional Korean tile-roofed houses. A traditional tiled roof is made of alternating concave and convex roof tiles. The concave tile is called amkiwa, while the semi-cylindrical tile that covers the joints between two amkiwa is called sukiwa. At the end of the eaves, tiles are used to cap the ends of the sukiwa and the amkiwa. These are called maksaikiwa, meaning tiles that cap the ends, and are also called wadang. Ancient Koreans added decorations or patterns to wadang to create ornate designs. The primary purpose of these ornate designs was to project status and authority. The wadang at the end of the eaves is the most noticeable part when looking at a tile-roofed house. The more ornate the wadang, the more splendid the appearance of the building would be. And the more splendid the building, the more noble its residents would seem to others. Therefore, ornate wadang were widely used on buildings associated with people of high status, such as nobles, or in places that needed to display religious authority, such as Buddhist temples. In Korea, many ornate wadang like these were produced during the Three Kingdoms period and the Goryeo dynasty. Among them, I would like to introduce one of the museum's most notable examples of wadang. Our museum is well known for its large collection of wadang from the Three Kingdoms period, particularly those from Goguryeo. Goguryeo wadang reflect the influence of Buddhism and are often decorated with lotus motifs. The lotus remains pure and beautiful even when blooming in muddy water. In Buddhism, this symbolism was revered as representing the pure truth of the Buddha in a troubled world. The Lotus Guimyeonmun wadang, located in the center of the Archaeological History Hall, is regarded as one of the finest examples of Goguryeo wadang. In fact, incorporating lotus patterns into roof tiles was common not only in Goguryeo, but also in Silla and Baekje. However, on Goguryeo wadang, lotus flowers take the form of three-dimensional buds, and various patterns are expressed using the spaces between the buds. These patterns are called composite patterns, demonstrating Goguryeo high level of cultural achievement. Let's take a closer look at the Lotus Guimyeonmun wadang. Stretching north, south, east, and west are the lotus buds mentioned earlier. Between these buds, you can see unique patterns. These are known as Guimyeonmun, monster face motifs. The people of Goguryeo believed that these intimidating Guimyeonmun patterns could repel evil spirits threatening people, thereby bringing peace and happiness to their families. The Lotus Guimyeonmun wadang reflects the artistic sophistication of Goguryeo, and it also reveals the desire of the Goguryeo people to display their status and their simple wish for their family's happiness and safety.